Hello friends, greetings from La Palma Island. Today is December 1st, 2021, and this morning I did a flight to the city of Todoque, to the remnants of the city of Todoque. You see here at the flows that went to the ocean. This area is completely inaccessible. It's only accessible from the ocean, and the Spanish military used it to deliver farmers here so that they could take care of their properties on this house island, completely blocked by lava. And since this area is inaccessible, it's a good idea to fly drone here, and that's what I did to show you what is really the situation here right now on December 1st. So we are flying to Todoque Mountain. You see this hill in front of us is called Todoque Mountain, and right next to that mountain you find a number of houses that still belong to the city of Todoque, which is no more. The greater part of this city had been entirely engulfed by lava, but some houses still survive, and we will research those houses now. So we are approaching here at the mountain of Todoque, which is a volcano from the antiquity, because there are so many volcanoes on La Palma. La Palma is dotted, especially Cumbre Vieja ridge is dotted with the volcanoes. There had been numerous eruptions here. So here you see the new flow that went around Todoque Mountain. This flow was not here 20 days ago. This is completely new. It arrived here during the past week. And here you see the last houses of Todoque. This city had a population of 1,300 people. All had been evacuated, nobody died. And this is the southern tip of the city of Todoque. The only houses that remain. This is a house island. It's still accessible from the ocean. You can come here if military will deliver you. So the local residents still have a chance to obtain their houses back if volcano will stop. But a bit further in you will see another house island that is also blocked by the lava. You see this new flow. There were some houses here to the right. One house to the right you see was completely squeezed by lava from all the sides. Only the part of it remained, but some houses are unharmed, like this one to the front. You see there are even sunbeds next to those houses. Those might be summer houses, I'm not sure. Some cars that are in the center, 3 cars standing there. I guess those are old cars, that's why they left them. But still, it's kind of strange, because you can always drive the car away. And then you see this house island. I will zoom in and we will take a better look at this, the last houses. This is a city proper, probably. This is Todoque, the last houses of Todoque. Here you see them. And the yellow villa on the top still remains undamaged. Well, it is damaged, but the most of the building stands there. Then this is the area between Todoque and La Laguna. Those houses, I guess they belong to La Laguna. Here to La Laguna Montagna, as you see, this another mountain is called Montagna La Laguna. We will fly closer and we will take a look at those houses here next to Montagna La Laguna. It's very much agriculture here. Next to the ocean, many banana plantations. You see those around tanks for irrigation purposes, for agriculture. They are filled with water. See lava damaged many greenhouses. Some houses here remain. There are many house islands further up, you see, completely blocked by lava. See, but they survive. hopefully the owners will get them back. It will be a remarkable story, a very touching, emotional story if people will get those houses unharmed in the middle of the lava fields. But will be a lot of work to clean this, to have access to them. I mean, it might take many months. It will take maybe a year or two when the volcano stops to clear this up, you know. It's still hot, lava stays hot for a long time. Those are new flows. I arrived here last month. I was on the top of this mountain, Montana Laguna, in October, and this flow was not there next to this mountain. So here you see the southern part of La Laguna, or I'm not sure, it's some neighborhood that belongs to Los Llanos municipality, but people use it to live here. You can see those are residential houses, those are not summer houses. It's very interesting. I use it 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, because with 30 frames per second you can zoom in. And the last houses of Todoque. So here I start to fly back because I was at 50% battery and it was more than 2 kilometers flight. So this is how it looks, a situation between La Laguna and Todoque Mountains. Perhaps we will make another flight to explore this area better. I wish you all the best, be well. God bless you.